Good day, fellow personalization specialists. This is Lori Champagne with another quick tip. If you've been following along, we've been engraving these screwdrivers. We've got about 250 of them to do for the customer. And as you can see, we have them on a grid that we found was the optimal amount of time to get them done. So now we're going to work on bagging. So we're going to take 5 of the screwdrivers, there we go, and we're going to put them all into one bag. I know that sounds odd, but hang with me here. Okay, so we got them all in one bag, got them all going horizontally here, and then what we're going to do is feed them through the little bag sealer and go seal down, pull away, and pull it off. And just keep going along until you've got all 5 of them done. This is going to take a lot less time than actually feeding them into the bag one at a time. And thus do we keep our amount of time per piece to an absolute minimum, which is of course the key to good production. Get the last one done here. There we go. So we've got all 5 done, and into the box they go, and we'll get ready for the next 5. This is Lori Champagne reminding you to never stop creating. Thank you very much.